Morning. We're going to crack on today with stud walls, which are going over there. Probably take off all the window reveals because not really needed anymore. And the room's not quite square, so we're going to try and make the walls somewhat square, and then try and get the window reveals as close to square as possible. But yeah, I'm just going to crack on with it. So, someone decided to go tight on the ceiling and now he thinks he's just going to lump hammer that into place. I think is going to be fun. I said, go short. What's everyone's recommendations? Go short and you got wiggle room? I'll be like that, go tight and bray it in. Right, moment of truth. Let's see how tight this actually is then. Suppose you want a ladder now, don't you? Yeah. Right. Little ladder or trustworthy ladder?
Trustworthy fucker.
Average.
Tight as that?
No, it's tight. So you should be giving it a little bit extra.
Give it a little bit extra more, you mean?
Having fun?
Yeah.
You think giving it just like a little bit extra tolerance would make it a bit easier.
Maybe.
So on the next one, just a little bit short.
A bit shorter.
Yeah. You remember we're going to square this up as well?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
If you've given it the tolerance.
Maybe. I don't know. Like a ball window. That's what's doing it. It's that corner, the rest of it. The stand.
If you've given
It's
it
just that corner. It obviously wants to go in.
Oh yeah, it was. A little tap. Did you just give yourself a little bit of...
Yeah, well, I don't like it too fucking slack.
That's what screws and expanding foam are for.
I'm not in. You fucking. Your granddad will fucking shoot you here when you're saying stuff like that.
Yeah, but how's it out made? Like, well, I mean,
And he was a perfectionist. Trust me, he was a perfectionist with my dad. Come to paint a room, we weren't allowed in it. They're nothing. While he was doing anything, yeah.
So this time I've done the measurements, I've gone short, so let's see if we're both as bad as each other.
I'm not saying it because it's rude.
It is very rude. Okay, let's see what happens.
Let's have a look at the plan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doubling up, 6, 7, that's the front, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then obviously you've got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, but then you've got your lengths, haven't you? I think I put 19, yeah, I put 19.
So we are wrapping up now. We're just trying to figure out whether we bought enough wood to do the rest of the wall. It wasn't the original plan, we just bought enough to do the back wall, but we've used like half the material, so we may have enough to do that wall. So leaving it for now. See you later.